And there's a classic dish, amatriciana, but I could never say that, so we just called it Pasta America. So weird. But anyway, it starts out with guanciale, or pork cheeks, or pancetta, which is rolled cured meat similar to bacon but not smoked. Or slab bacon is what we're using here.
Wow.
What I'm going to do today is make a smoky kind of sweet and sour twist on that classic that we called Pasta America. So I start with olive oil in the bottom of a nice deep skillet so we can toss all of the pasta with all of the sauce. And then we're going to add 1 large red onion, finely chopped, and let that kind of cook down. Could you salt the pasta water for us? When we're cooking dry or fresh pasta, very important to season the water itself. I'm going to add that half kilo there, 1 pound of spaghetti.
This is going in?
Yes, please, sir. Yes. Just slide it right in there because your friend made an oval-shaped pot because pasta's long, so it just slides right in.
Beautiful.
So I'm adding in a lot of garlic because I put garlic in everything.
It's so good. The smell is amazing.
One little guy tried to jump the boat there. Get back up here. I like fresh bay with anything with onion, so I'm going to throw a little bay in. I love black pepper in this dish as well. So I'm going to add in a little sun-dried tomato paste, so super tangy, right? Sun-dried tomato paste, a little squirt of that. Red vermouth for this.
I like it in my Negroni.
Instead of red wine, and you have it, you use it for cocktails, certainly. Red vermouth is just fortified wine. So we're going to let that cook away a bit and concentrate. And then we're going to add a can of Italian tomato. So we're going to let the tomatoes cook down a bit. I'll give you the big finish. There's a neat twist to this, and we're going to make a little simple salad dressing right in a jar that you can shake up right after this. I'm making a little simple, everyday Italian dressing to keep in the fridge. This is a great tip all week long, especially if I'm always cooking for just a couple of people. You too, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
So make a base salad that you love. This is just greens with fresh fennel and red onion. And I keep that in a dish or in a sack in the fridge. I keep the dressing separate in a little mason jar and just dress what you need for a couple of days.
That's good, yeah.
And you don't have to make a salad every couple of days.
Make the most out of it.
So right in our little mason jar, a fat squirt of Dijon mustard, what my family calls everyday vinegar, so wine vinegar, white or red. A little bit of dried ingredients, a little parsley, a little oregano or marjoram, a little granulated onion, a little granulated garlic. They like to go everywhere together. A little red pepper.
A little heat.
A little heat. A little black pepper too, hits a different place on your tongue. A little salt, over the shoulder for luck. And a little squirt of something sweet. This is Italian acacia honey.
Wow.
Whenever you're adding olive oil to a dressing, you want about a 3-to-1 ratio. If you use 2 tablespoons of acid, in this case a wine vinegar, you're going to add triple that of your fat, in this case EVOO, a little olive oil. Give it a shake.
Wow, look at that.
And that's it. You keep this in the fridge separate and use it as you need it all week long. So, Jesse dropped our pasta a bit ago. It's about a minute shy of al dente. I'm going to reserve a little starchy cooking water and drain this off. So we toss all of the pasta with the sauce. You can just take it out with tongs and pile it right in there.
So again, it's important. You're not draining the pasta first.
You want it to be, you're using some of that starchy cooking water.
Right.
Now, I said this is sweet and sour and smoky and spicy. So this is our pasta with the bacon, the smoky bacon, the sweet vermouth, red onions, fresh bay. I pulled the bay out. The big finish for this is we're going to add sweet basil and chopped hot Italian cherry peppers.
Wow.
And we always toss with cheese. Pecorino Romano, salty and tangy is what I chose for this, but Parmigiano is delicious too. It's just nutty and more buttery. And good fruity EVOO. And then mix this all together, all together, all together.
Oh, it smells great.
Right?
Oh, it's so good.
Crazy, and it's smoky and hot and spicy and bittersweet.
Oh.
It's crazy.
That bacon with the spicy peppers and
I know,
everything.
the hot pepper.